and welcome to H5 Automation. H5 Automation is a WordPress plugin, is a tool to automate your H5P content creation. So this tool eliminate the manual creating process and save your hours. So for using this plugin, first you need to get this plugin from h5automation.com. Uh, this serves different types of subscription plans, and you can choose any of them. And once you have the plugin, you can install to use it. So uh, in this video, we are going to see how we can automate the course presentation content creation. So first of all, you need to come to H5P, and from this page, you need to select course presentation and install it. If you didn't install, then it will show get button. Here in my case, I have already installed. That is why it's showing details. So you need to make sure the course presentation content has been there. Okay, so let's see the list. I already have course presentation, and how we can automate. So go to the H5 automation. Once you install the plugin, you will have this menu on the WordPress dashboard. This From this section, you need to choose the course presentation and the JSON file. I have selected a JSON file that I have downloaded from the right section. Here you can see the sample JSON files. So this plugin comes with the JSON files, sample files that is available for download and use. You can import using the JSON file, and later you can customize as per your need. So if I hit the upload and generate button, here you can see the content has been created and shortcode provided. This shortcode you can use on anywhere as you use on WordPress. So let's go to the H5P content. Here you can see the content has been created, and if I open it, I can see on the H5P content builder. Here you can see the course presentation has created within a few seconds. This is as easy as you can see. So now the question is, this is all the slides have contained dummy contents, and how you can add your own. So to add, we need to create a JSON file, and we will see this how we can create. So let's see the JSON file. Okay, so this is the JSON file. I have already downloaded and opened. Once you download and open the JSON file, you will have something like this. The JSON file have started with the square brackets and ended with the square brackets. This is the structure, and inside these square brackets, you have these blocks that is inside the curly braces. This started with curly braces and ended with curly braces. So this block means each course presentation content. If I copy this and create another, it means I have created another course presentation. So this way you can add as many content as you want. So let's see what is inside it. The first element is title, and this is the title for the content as an identifier. Once I click on it, and if I go to the list, you can see this is course presentation title, and this is the same. Another object is presentation. This block contains slides. Each course presentation contains slide. If you not aware about the course presentation, how course presentation work, then you can go to the H5P official website and see the course presentation details, and you can create one or two contents manually so that all these things make sense to you. I will explain the slides block later. First see the uh, course presentation block. The another block is override. This is basically the settings H5P offer. If I edit this course presentation and go to edit, what you do manually, you go to edit, and on the behavior setting you need to check or uncheck this as per your need. So this is the same settings on the JSON file. If you need this, you can make it true, otherwise false. The like this the hide summary slide. If you need this, you can make it true to show the summary slide. If you need social share buttons, you can make it true, otherwise false. So in this section, all the option is available for the behavior settings, and the last section is L10N. It is basically for changing the word. Like here you can see it is slide, or it is your score. Instead of your score, if you want to show a score, then you can change it, but the recommended things is not to change the language. Like your score, if you want to translate it on different language, then the natural translation that H5P support will break. So it's better not to change if you don't change this text. So each course presentation content contain this JSON. And now let's see the slides. Each course presentation can have multiple slides, and here I have audio slide. I have added an audio. So let's see what these contents mean. So first of all, here you can see slide background selector. Fill slide background. So this is color that will be visible on this slide, on this particular slide. And you can also set global color for the slides, like this. Like this. Here fill global color. If you set this color, then this color will be applied on all the slides. And if you change on any specific slide, then it will be appear only this slide. And the X is means the X exists, and Y means Y exists, the width and height, horizontal and vertical. So 47 pixel, it means it will be padded from the left side 47 pixel, and on top it will be padded 43 pixel. The another element is width. You can say I have set 7 and height is 13. This is basically, you can set from 1 to 100. This is basically a pixel, 7 pixel or 13 pixel. If you want to change it, you can change. If you want to make it full width and height, you can use 100. Like take the full width and full height. If you start from the top, from the left, no space, and from the top without a space, then you can set 0. The library, you can put it as it is, you don't need to touch anything. And the params, here you don't need to change anything from here. Only you need to change is the file path. This is audio element, and you can provide the audio path, audio URL. You can, if you host the audio from on your website or any other server, You can just copy the URL and paste it here. Then the metadata, which is for H5P, then default is fine. You don't need to change anything. And here you can see some customization option, like always display comments, whether to show it or not, background opacity, and display as button, and display as button, whether to display as button or normal open screen, and the button side. So you if you want to know the, like, here you have button size, and the for the value we have set it big. You can also set a small or medium. All the options, there are different types of option available that you can know from the H5 Automation website. You need to go to the documentation, and from there you can see the course presentation content documentation to see the details about the options available. So this is an element, and this is another element. This is like H5P video, and you don't need to change the library title. So here you can add all the slides, all the elements that supported by H5P. If I go to the admin side on the H5 Automation, on the sample section you can see the elements.json file. This is the element dash audio JSON and element dash blank JSON. All the JSON file contains the JSON file, and all you need to do is you need to open, like if I open a link, you just need to change the width, height, and the URL. For example, if you add a link element like this, if I go here, course presentation, if I go like this, if I go to the link, this slide contains a link. So all you need to do is change this URL. If you need, you can just copy this JSON block and paste it inside the slide, and it will be edited. So on the H5P automation screen, you have all the JSON available. You don't need to create from scratch. All you need to do is download this JSON file, open with an editor like VS Code, Notepad, or Sublime, and change the text. That is all. And after changing it, you can just select the, like this, I have created course presentation JSON file. Once you're done with the creation, you just need to select and hit upload, and you will be relieved from the manual content creation that takes a lot of time. So this is how the course presentation bulk import is working. And if you have any questions or any confusion, you can comment on the comment section. Thanks for watching.